All right, let's take a look at assignment 4.2. We're going to be quantizing these drum files here within this session. And what we're going to do is actually begin by opening up the session. And you'll notice as soon as you get in it, you'll have this drum kit. It's going to be kick, snare, hat, overhead, and room. And there's a couple things you have to do to get this set up. First, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and highlight by clicking on the nameplate. Click on the first, hold shift, click on the last, and hit Command G. You're going to group these into a drum group. You'll type in drums, type in drum, and hit OK. And then what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that they all start and end at the same place. They should all be in a good spot there. And you're going to go to Event Operations, Quantize. Now this is a real simple process, especially for how it's been set up for you. Once you have that selected, you could use the grabber tool just to grab it. That means you're going to have the whole thing selected. And you're going to move to quantize that eighth note. To be able to enable the quantization, you actually have to go to the first track. And there's a little box that looks like this. If you don't see this, change the size to medium. And you're going to click on it and go down and select the rhythmic plugin for Elastic Audio. We have to have this selected in order to make this process work. With that selected, it should allow you at this point to hit apply, and you should see everybody shift. You can take a listen to it. Cool. And if it loops around smoothly, then you should be good. All you're going to do to submit this project is hit Shift Command 4. You're going to highlight over the edit region so you can show the quantized final, and you will load it to the MLP, and that's it.